A.O. Smith water heaters include a vacation mode feature designed to save energy when you're away from home for extended periods. This mode automatically lowers your water temperature to between 50 and 70 degrees Fahrenheit, significantly reducing energy consumption while you're away. However, sometimes your water heater can get stuck in vacation mode or repeatedly enter this mode, causing inconvenience when you need hot water. Here's how to fix this issue. First, locate the control panel on your water heater. To deactivate vacation mode, press and hold the vacation mode button or switch for a few seconds until the mode changes. If pressing the button doesn't work, check your power supply. Ensure the water heater is properly connected and that no circuit breakers have tripped. If the problem persists, consult your user manual for model-specific troubleshooting instructions. Important safety note: if your hot water system hasn't been used for 2 weeks or more, run a hot water faucet for several minutes to release any built-up hydrogen gas before using electrical appliances connected to the system. When basic troubleshooting doesn't resolve vacation mode issues, we need to examine internal sensors and reset mechanisms. This advanced troubleshooting covers the most common hardware-related problems. Internal sensor failure is indicated by 5 flashes every 3 seconds. This is a serious issue that requires immediate action. Turn off both the gas control knob and gas supply valve, then contact a professional technician. Most A.O. Smith water heaters have a reset button located on the thermostat or near the heating element. Press and hold this button for 3 to 5 seconds, then release and wait for the system to restart. The thermal switch protects against overheating and may trip due to insufficient airflow. If this happens, locate the small reset button in the center of the thermal switch and press it to reset the system. 7 flashes indicate a flammable vapor sensor lockout. This occurs when the sensor detects potentially dangerous vapors from paint, cleaning chemicals, or gasoline. The sensor may need replacement, especially if flammable materials were recently used nearby. Regular maintenance helps prevent these advanced troubleshooting issues. Perform visual inspections, listen for unusual sounds, check for leaks, ensure proper ventilation, and keep the area free of flammable materials.